In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your user profile on Whop. Whether you're new to Whop or just looking to update your existing profile, these steps will help you navigate the platform with ease and make your profile truly reflect who you are. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to head over to the Whop website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the home feed of Whop. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. It's easy to spot, and clicking on it will reveal a menu of options related to your account. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select View Profile. This option will take you to your personal profile page, where you can see all your current information and settings. Take a moment to review what's already there. This will give you a good sense of what you might want to update or change. Once you're on your profile page, the next step is to click on Edit Profile. This is where the customization magic happens. Clicking this option will open up the editing interface, allowing you to make changes to your profile information. Here, you can update your name, add a new profile picture, or even change your bio to better describe yourself or your interests. As you make these changes, think about how you want to present yourself to others on Whop. Consider adding a profile picture that clearly shows your face, or writing a bio that captures your personality or professional expertise. This is your chance to make a great impression on others who might visit your profile. After you've made all your desired changes, don't forget to save your updates. Usually, there's a Save button at the bottom of the page or within the editing section itself. Clicking this will ensure that all your hard work isn't lost and that your profile is updated with your latest information. And that's it! You've successfully customized your user profile on Whop. Remember, your profile is often the first thing others see, so keeping it updated and reflective of who you are is always a good idea. Plus, as you continue to use Whop, you might find new ways to personalize your profile even further. Thanks for following along today. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Now you can enjoy a personalized experience on Whop, knowing that your profile truly represents you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Happy customizing!